Here we come to the elevator at the Homewood Suites in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Dover. It's a Dover. Installed in the 1980s or early 90s. A very nice cab. Alright, we're gonna go up to 3. Door closing, you push the button. We'll listen to the motor. Here we are on 3. Alright, let's do the bell trick. Alright, door close button works. Very nice. Capacity 2,100 pounds. This is a Dover. Not ADA phone, obviously. This is a hotel. Runs very well. They redid the cab. They kept the elevator original, which is cool. Alright. I'll ring the bell one last time. If I can get to it. It's way back here. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.